Is the mic on? What's up? Jason from ThruNite here. Today we're talking more about the BSS V4. So by this point, you probably already know a lot about the BSS V4. It's our latest tactical light. It's an extremely lightweight tactical flashlight with a really great design, a nice strike bezel for self-defense or for, on the job. Whatever it is, this light is going to be great. And so a little bit ago, I took it out of the freezer where I've had it for a good 24 hours. And I took it outside and dropped it and tried to bang it up as much as possible and try to break the light if I could to try to showcase, how well built and durable the BSS light is. So I'm gonna roll the clips for you right now. There's ice all in there. Nothing. The glass is not cracked. The only real damage noticeable to the light itself is that the optional bezel, the strike bezel, is a little more difficult to tighten, but you can still put it on and remove it as normal. It's just I can feel some resistance when I'm tightening the bezel. The side switch works perfectly, as well as the tail switch. Just some cosmetic dings and scrapes, but I think that's pretty good. I think for a drop at that height, the BSS V4 performed really well. I also use the light at night, not quite as dark as in previous tests, so I wouldn't really compare it to some of the other tests I've done, but I also use the red lens filter that comes with the BSS to show you what that's going to look like. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. We're gonna be doing more videos in the future. We've got some exciting new products coming up that we can't wait to tell you about. So click subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.